Hey, I'm Sam. I'm an apprentice here at RedBlue, and today we're at Oakshade. We're working on running the switch legs, or the main power for all the home runs for the automation. We've got most of the wires upstairs done and are working our way down. We've got most of the power pulled for all the outlets and all the plugs that'll go on. The automation that we're running now is for the lighting. There'll be a couple more pieces on automation, but we don't handle the automation. We're just in charge of making sure all the lights are connected and that they're supplied with power. Is it ran? Not yet. Oh yeah? For lighting, assuming? There'll be lights? Oh yeah, and then...
And so this is just for the pool?
Yeah, this is
nice.
Just like a change room. This is like a bathroom.
Okay, I see.
Storage room.
Okay. Perfect. And that'll power the lighting and pumps for the pool and stuff like that, I take it? Or that little panel there?
Yeah. So here's the all of our switch legs, or our power for the automation, all the home runs. You can see they're nice and tidy. It's important to keep it tidy so we know which wires are going where, and to make sure they're not damaged. You can see it nice and visibly. If we head downstairs to the basement, there's gonna be like a storage room in here where the automation will be, so all of them are coming down into here. There'll be a lighting panel that the automation guys will install, and they'll all get entered there. And we've got a gym in here. This is not on automation, so we've got just regular switches there. This is gonna be a nice gym with a treadmill with its own dedicated plug. And then over here, we've got just a little spare bathroom and bedroom. See on that landing there in the foyer, they haven't done these lights yet. There'll be a big 60-pound chandelier hung from that spot in the middle there. So that'll be exciting. Once scaffolding's up, we'll work on getting the wires there. So yeah, those are those home runs that come all the way upstairs, and then they disperse out throughout the top level.